Welcome to Screw It, and this is my all new G Wagon, a Norwegian military pickup truck. And oh boy, it's exciting. It's a tractor, and I'm excited to show you around. So, recently I just acquired this car throughout a trade. I traded my SLC from '79 for this Norwegian military pickup truck. And quite an enjoyable last ride of my SLC. This might be my last drive with my SLC. It's been an amazing car, and I really love this car. However, I really want a G Wagon. The first G Wagon I've owned was a 300 GD. It was still the W461 civilian version, and it has been my biggest regret selling that car. However, that car was quite rusty and I wasn't really capable of keeping it up. I didn't have the money to restore it, so I had to sell it. And ever since, I always wanted to get another G Wagon. And this time I thought that I really wanted to try the military. And most of you will know this car as a Wolf. However, it's not the typical German Wolf. This is a Norwegian one. And you can see it by the wheelbase. It's the longer wheelbase rather than the typical military ones that are the short one. It's actually very cool that it is the long one. This car has been converted into a pickup truck by the military, the Norwegian military. It has been a general that owned this car, and he was quite annoyed about how slow it was to heating up the entire car. So he asked to modify the car to a solid cabin, which is a two-seater solid cabin. So the cabin is now much smaller and much more easier to warm up for the winter. And I have plans to eventually restore it to original state, to put back the seats in the back and make it so that everything is removable, because I really like the old design where you can flip the front windscreen forwards and just take in the air. And I really want to try to make a hardtop for this car that will resemble the canopy, the tent, or I don't know the word. But I want it to look like the original state. But in the same time, I want to do a resto mod. I want to update the look of the front of the car. I want to give it the W463 look. Same with the mirrors, the grille, and all of that. And the interior, I really want to custom make myself a own interior with 3D printing, leather working. I'll be having help from my friend Patrick and my girlfriend Emilia, who knows how to sew. So there's a lot of potential. And really all we're gonna do for now is updating the bumper and giving it a wash, and perhaps put her on winter tires. I have them all in the back here. And the reason it's dirty is because after the second day of owning this car, a friend of mine just called and he begged me to come help him. He got stuck in the mud with his Hilux, and I recorded everything. So enjoy that.
Yesterday,
I'm jumped inside my G Wagon. This is the third day I own the G Wagon, and a friend of mine got stuck in the mud. So we're off to our first rescue mission. I got my girlfriend with me. Ooh, damn, shiny.
days later.
Should we head back to the workshop and give it a wash? Because right now it's very dirty. You might want to hold on the bumper for me soon. So easy. Nice.
There you go. Very nice.
The next day.
Jacking up the diff.
Damn, you have some big brake calipers on there.
Yeah. Gotta stop the 2 ton.
Then you know what you need to do, right? You need to slap it and say that's not going anywhere.
That's not going anywhere. Fits right in.
Oh Lord.
My lord.
I appreciate the low jack for the
Lifted car.
as well. It's like placing a pancake under there, but
Yeah, you know the car is so low, so you need a low jack stand. So this is the end of this video.
Yep.
And it has been a blast, and I literally went and said screw it, I'm changing my SLC for a G Wagon, a military tractor.
for real.
Yeah. And it has been a blast, and I'm very excited for showing off what I'm gonna do with this car in future videos. As well, I'm very excited to say welcome to Patrick to the channel.
Yes.
He has,
Hello.
Hey, he has his own car right in front of me, in fact. And we really enjoy screwing around with cars.
Yes.
So we want to share our adventures. We really want to do a whole lot of new things.
Yep.
And if you are wondering why am I subscribed to Screw It, it's because previously my channel was Moonlight, and before that it was GW Philip. But now we're rebranding, starting again, and
Yes.
try to be some fun guys
Yes.
screwing around.
Yes. And we will have some guests on here as well. Not just us.
absolutely. And adventures.
Yes.
I mean, we live in Norway.
Yep.
There's so much to explore, so much to discover.
Yep. And so many car parts to pick up with your new pickup truck.
Yeah, that's for sure. So exciting.
Yep.
Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and leave a comment.
Stay tuned for more content.
Absolutely. Stay tuned for more content. There will be a lot, and a lot of diversity as well.
Yep. All right. Bye-bye.